Module 6, Lesson 3, Schedule and Publish. Your draft is sitting in the posts list. 2 ways to make it live. Schedule it for a moment you choose or publish it now. Open the draft. Set the schedule field to the date and time you want and save as scheduled. Scheduling matters on social more than almost anywhere. The same post performs differently at 8 a.m. Tuesday versus 9 p.m. Friday. Your heat map report from Module 7 will tell you when your audience actually engages. Until you have that data, weekday mornings are a sane default for LinkedIn. A scheduled post shows its status and its go live moment in the posts list. Until that moment arrives, you can still edit the body, move the time, or pull it back to draft. At the scheduled time, Simple Marketing publishes through the Connected Accounts token, and the status flips to published. When the moment is the moment, publish directly. The post goes out through the channel API, and the workspace records the published timestamp and the external post reference. So the post you see here is linked to the live post on the platform. Open the post detail after it's been live for a day. Impressions, reactions, comments, clicks, the platform numbers flow back and sit next to the post body. Social performance lives in the same workspace as your email stats, so Module 7's reports can read across both. Module 6 done. Account connected, post drafted with AI provenance, scheduled, published, measured. Next module is the big one, measuring performance, dashboards, competitors, funnels, heat maps, attribution, and ad spend. See you there.